Hello everybody, it's Preschool with me, Preschool with me, Preschool with me. Hello everybody, it's Preschool with me, Preschool with me. Hi guys, today is the last day of preschool for this week. I am getting ready for a good weekend. I'm gonna go camping with my family. Do you have some fun plans for this weekend? Do you think maybe you might know some things you're going to do? Maybe go play with some friends or visit some family or enjoy some time at home with your own family? Weekends are a really good time to rest and relax after a long, busy week full of chores and work. We've been reading about work this week, haven't we? In our story about the Little Red Hen. I'm going to read you this storybook today. I've told you two different stories about the Little Red Hen. Well, they're the same, but two different ways. So this is a new one, and we're going to read this one a little bit later today. But first, we're going to talk about today's day. It's Friday today, huh? What day is today? What day is today? Today is Friday. Friday is the last day of our work week. Before the weekend. We have 7 days in a week. Do you remember this song? I want you to sing it with me, okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I have to sing it happy. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I have to say it scared. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I have to say it cold. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I have to sing it hot. Oh, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing this song. I hope you did all those silly actions with me. Otherwise, Miss Kaylin just looked really silly all by herself. All right. We sang a lot of that one, so we're going to skip our days of the week count little poster. But you guys remember Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here we are today. Saturday. 7 days are in a week. All right, let's do our months of the year while we're talking about our month or our calendar. We've got 12 months are in a year. Let's see if Miss Kaylin remembers to sing it right this time, okay? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months are in a year. One more time. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months are in a year. All right, we are in a hot month this year. Right now, we are in the season of summer. And in summertime where I live, it is hot. Whoo-wee, it gets really warm outside. So we like to go swimming a lot to help us stay cool. We like to do fun things outside. It is a very hot month. So what does it look like where you live right now? Oh, what does the weather look like today? Oh, what does the weather look like? Is it sunny or cloudy or rainy today? Oh, what does the weather look like? You need to look outside your window. I'm looking outside my window right now, and I see, whoa, it's cloudy today. And those clouds look gray. It looks like it might start to rain. I don't know. Can it rain in the summertime? Yes. the weather can still be rainy even when the season is summer. It all has to do with what the weather is doing, outside. All right, so I need to look here for my cloudy day. All right, here is my cloudy day. It is a cloudy day today. Yesterday we had some clouds, and today it's very cloudy. It looks like it might start to rain soon. All right, this week, do you remember? We've been learning every day about one of the letters of our alphabet. There are 26 letters, so we have a lot more that we get to learn about. And each time we learn a letter, we're getting closer and closer to learning how to read words. So this week, we've been learning about this letter. This letter says F, All right. Okay, boys and girls, now we need to say our scripture for this week. We've been saying it every day, so hopefully we're getting better and better. Miss Kaylin will say it first. Let me get my microphone. I will say it first, and then I want you to repeat it with me, all right? Mark chapter 16, verse 15. Go ye into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. Please repeat with me. Mark chapter 16, verse 15. Go ye into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. We are getting better and better at that. All right, now back to our letter F. We are learning this letter, the letter F, and we've learned a lot of words about farms that have the letter F. Now, most of the words that we've been looking at have the letter F at the start of the word, and you can hear it when you first start to say that word, like the word farm, or the word fence. We talked about how the farmer wants to build a fence all around his animals to make sure they don't run away. And we learned the word field. A field is where the farmer is going to plant all the crops. They have to get the dirt all ready, and then they plant all their seeds and wait for them to grow. That's the field. Now, there are also words that have the F at the end of the word. I want you to listen closely to this next word and see if you can hear when Miss Kaylin says the F sound. Calf. Do you see that at the end of the word, it has that F sound? And this one's a good word too because you know what the letter is at the beginning. Calf. This is the letter C. Now, a calf is a baby cow, and we call them a calf. There are a lot of words that have an F at the end of the word too. So you need to listen to those words so that you know when you go to read them or later when you go to write them that you can hear, oh, I hear that F sound. All right, now I told you I was going to read you a story today. Do you remember? I'm very excited. Okay, let's read the story about the Little Red Hen. The Little Red Hen. The Little Red Hen had a full house. She lived with a cat, a dog, and a mouse. This story is a little bit different than the one we had yesterday. Remember yesterday we had a duck and a dog. And what was the other one? A cat maybe? The cat, the dog, and the mouse were a lazy bunch. They slept all day while the Little Red Hen worked. That mouse is sleeping on that Little Red Hen. Isn't that funny? She did all of the cooking, cleaning, and gardening. One day, while she was in the garden, the Little Red Hen found some grains of wheat. will help me plant this wheat?" she asked. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the mouse. "Then I'll guess I'll do it myself," said the little red hen. So she planted the wheat and helped it grow. When the wheat was ready, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me cut this wheat?" "Not I," was all she heard. "Then I guess I will do it myself," she exclaimed. So the little red hen cut the wheat herself. After the wheat was cut, the little red hen said, "This wheat must be ground into flour. Who will take it to the mill?" Again she heard, "Not I." "Then I guess I will do it myself," she said with a sigh. So the little red hen took her wheat to the mill, and she returned with a big sack of flour. "Who will help me make bread from this flour?" she asked. "Not I," shouted the cat. "Not I," shouted the dog. "Not I," shouted the mouse. The little red hen muttered, "Then I guess I will do it myself." She spent the entire afternoon baking bread. When the bread was done, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me eat this bread?" "I will," yelled the cat. "I will," yelled the dog. "I will," yelled the mouse. "I don't think so. I have done everything myself. I will eat this bread myself too," the little red hen said with a smile. And she ate every last crumb all by herself. I hope you guys have enjoyed listening to the story of the Little Red Hen. This is a very old story that's been told many, many, many years. And some people have made them into picture books like this one. So there's lots of different ways you can learn the story of the Little Red Hen. But it's an important story to remember because it teaches us that hard work can give us a good reward. And when we are lazy, we sometimes don't earn that good reward. So like I've said before, I want us to remember when someone says, "Who will help me?" I hope you will be one to say, "I will help." I will help, because that's what Jesus would want us to do for sure, is to always be willing to help. So today, I want you guys to do this fun little activity for the Little Red Hen. So you need to get this activity out and put it in front of you. And you also need to have an activity for the letter F. This is the last day that we're going to be practicing that letter F. So I want you to be able to recognize it, see what it looks like, and be able to hear what it sounds like. And then you can practice writing it too and see if you can make those shapes to form the big F and the little f. So let's go to the table and I'll show you what I want you to do for your Little Red Hen activity. So here is our activity for today. I have my paper here in front of me, some crayons because you're going to want to color it and make it look nice. I have some scissors because we're going to cut out this bottom piece right here. And then I have some glue because I'm going to glue those pieces right onto these numbers. And I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. But first I want you to color. We have wheat because the Little Red Hen had to cut the wheat, and the barn where she lives. And here she is right here, that cute little red hen. Some clouds in the sun. And then down here, this is our story, but oh my goodness, it looks like it's out of order. This is not what happens first. This is not the first one. I want to know what happens first in this story. So first, you're going to color the pictures. Here's my crayons. And then we're going to cut them out. And I want you to glue which one of these happens first and put it in the number 1. And then we're going to see which one happened second. Put that one in the number 2 and find out which one happened third and then which one happened fourth. And then you will have all the story in the correct order up here. So when you're finished with your activity, it should look like this. See how I colored it all in? So it looks nice and pretty, and all of my pieces are in order. First, second, third, fourth. All right, boys and girls, I have had so much fun learning about farms with you guys this week and reading that story about the Little Red Hen. Next week, we have some more fun things planned, so make sure that you come back to preschool with me next week. Bye, friends.